Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing our newest listing here in Verdana Village. This is 18340 Parksville. This is the Princeton floor plan, part of the Lennar Homes that you're going to find here at Verdana Village. The Princeton here is going to give you a total of 4 bedrooms. You're going to get 2 baths and over 2,200 square foot with a 3-car garage. Let's take a look at this beautiful home here. This home here is packed with upgrades galore as you look through the entire house here. So as we come into the Princeton, directly to your left, you have a formal dining area here. These owners have added the additional mirror that you see there, as well as the double chair rail and upgraded paint schemes. Now keep in mind, as you look through this video here, this home can be purchased with all of the furnishings that you see as well. Now to the right of the entryway, this is where you have your 2 guest bedrooms. So guest bedroom 1 over here, tastefully done. The furniture package that you see, this was all put together by Gauss's Furniture. They do a lot of the builder models here in town. Notice the nice beautiful shiplap on the wall there and all of the matching decor items that you see. Another thing to take note, we've got the tile plank floor all the way through the entire house, so there's no carpet here at all. Now sandwiched between the 2 guest bedrooms, you have the guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower. And then you also have the nice quartz countertop there. Then we have the 2nd guest bedroom here, again with the shiplap wall here, window treatments, upgraded paint scheme as well. So coming back out towards the main area, we are going to walk across here and we're going to take a look at the 3rd guest bedroom, but also the garage area. So this is the 3rd guest bedroom right here. Really beautifully tastefully done. And then we have the laundry space and garage. So over here you've got a full-size washer and dryer, you've got the utility sink, you've got additional cabinets that these owners have added. And in the garage here, they've put down the epoxy floors. They also have this built-in cabinetry that would come with the house. And if you're so interested, they would also entertain selling the golf cart here. So that's something to consider as well. Nice little addition if you wanted to have that included. Now coming across past the dining area here, we're going to take a look at your kitchen and main living spaces here. So the kitchen, you've got the low island here with the quartz countertop. You've got the 100% sink, so no partitions there. You've got this little art nook here. And then you've got that nice backsplash. You do have gas here at Verdana Village as well. So this home does come with gas cooking, and it'll also be used to heat your jacuzzi and pool as well. They've also added under cabinet and over cabinet lighting to the kitchen area. Full stainless appliance package. That's your pantry right here. You've got your eat-in kitchen area here with the picture framing done on the walls. A nice view out towards your lanai and pool area, as well as access through the side door here. Now your living space is very generous here, nice and open. And then you could see these owners have done the woodwork up here in the tray ceiling. So they've added the double boxes that you see there. And again, the chair rail is consistent through the home, as is the furniture package, again, which was designed completely by Gauss's Furniture. Now, last but not least, on the inside here, we have your owner's retreat. That's a king-size bed for perspective, Plenty of space here in this room. These owners have also added additional trim work here in the tray ceiling in the owner's retreat. You do have access out to your pool area here. And then you've got a huge closet, walk-in style closet right there. That's a his and hers walk-in, really large closet. Now you've got the owner's restroom here with this huge shower. And then also you have your private water closet located right here and a linen closet right there. Last but not least, we have the exterior living space on this home. So this is a beautiful use of the space here. They've done a custom pool, custom pavers. They've added the wood here at the lanai. And this overlooks the lake here, so you have a nice long lake view. They've got this sunken jacuzzi right over there, the sun shelf as well. And these owners have done an addition here off the back area. They've added a flat roof here and created this outdoor kitchen and bar space for entertaining on your beautiful nights here in Southwest Florida. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.